So today we will be installing a bottom diffused aeration system. It's on a 17-acre lake, and there is a total of 10 diffusers. First we'll hook up each diffuser to the hose, and we got it on a tripod, 2 tripods, and we'll put it up on the boat and back it into spot. Let's go. Let me give you a quick background on this pond. It is a 17-acre lake that has had issues with fish kills in the past, so we recommended adding a bottom diffused aeration system. Fish kills can be caused by many reasons, but the main reason is from a turnover event. A turnover event is when the water body suddenly mixes. Okay, what does that mean? Well, here is a bit of Limnology 101 for you. The warmer water sits on top, which is called the epilimnion. The colder water lays on the bottom, which is called the hypolimnion. The area between the two layers is the thermocline. The thermocline usually sets up in the late spring or early summer. The epilimnion is where most life happens, as it has ample amounts of oxygen most of the time, with wave action and photosynthetic activity adding oxygen to the water. The hypolimnion is usually void of oxygen because the thermocline acts as a cap and does not allow gas exchange between the two layers. Fish cannot thrive in these conditions, so potentially, depending on the severity of the situation, most of the pond could be unavailable to fish life during the summer months. Also, noxious gases such as hydrogen sulfide can build up in the hypolimnion. So going back, what exactly is a turnover? A turnover event is usually caused by a heavy rain event. A bunch of cold water runs into or onto the epilimnion, and because colder water is heavier, it sinks, which consequently mixes the entire water column. This releases all the noxious gases that were built up in the hypolimnion and also dramatically decreases the oxygen and the pH levels of the whole pond, ultimately leading to a fish kill. Steep shifts in pH can be very stressful to fish, and with all of the other stressors during a turnover, not helpful. So how can you avoid a turnover? Simple. Make sure your pond doesn't stratify. How can we do that, you might ask? Bottom diffused aeration. If there are enough diffusers in the bottom of the pond, the small bubbles lift water with them and mix the entire water column. As you can see in this real-life picture, a properly mixed pond allows for gas exchange. 100% of the water column is available to the fish, which increases carrying capacity. The muck is decomposed and processed by aerobic bacteria, which is actually more efficient than anaerobic bacterial decomposition. If your pond suffers from chronic bad breath or frequent fish kills, call us today. This is Jared Engelbert with Blue Wing Outdoors, and thanks for watching.